Otus le BT. Getinia good night sleep one of the most important thing you can do for your overall health and well-being. Adequate sleep give your body time and energy to recover from the previous stress, and help you to stay alert and focus through good coming day. If you've already figured out to fall asleep, but you're having trouble getting good sleep through the night, you're tossing, turning, waking up more than once, to allow you can do to ensure a peaceful night slumber. Getting to sleep quickly, easy method. Take an easy warm bath or shower in the evening. While relaxing you, afterward your body will cool down, which help you sleep better. Sleep naked. According to sleep specialist at Cleveland Sleep Clinic, sleeping in nude help you regulate your temperature. 1. Get a comfortable temperature using a blanket or duvet, of suitable warmth, she, en PO. It usually best to be slightly on the cool side. Preferably sleep with your hair hid out from under the bedclothes, unless the room is very cold. Feeling too hot? Learn to sleep comfortably on a hot night. Feeling too cold? Learn to sleep when it's cold. Keep an extra blanket right by the bed, just in case you get cold at night. Don't neglect your face, cold face can keep you awake. If you prefer to wear pajama because they are more comfortable, those cotton pajama are the best they are ultimate more resilient to fabric. Sleeping varying position. Changing your sleeping position can make a huge difference in the quality of your sleep. When you go to sleep, or if you wake up in the middle of the night, make a conscious effort to follow the guidelines until it becomes habitual. Keep your body in a middle position, or your body or head and neck are kept rudely straight. This should help you sleep. Avoid sleeping on your stomach. It's difficult to maintain the proper position, and it is more likely to cause a champagne. If you wish to sleep on your stomach, put your PO under your ribs instead of under your head. Use a suitable PO. If it's hot, your head will tilt backward, which is uncomfortable. Likewise, don't stack your PO so that your head is propped at angle. Try placing a PO between your legs if you sleep on your side. It will support your ribs and make the position more comfortable. Try placing a PO under your leg if you sleep on your back. Reduce your light exposure an hour or two before going to bed. Bright light before bedtime can disrupt your body internal clock. One of the primary clues to the body to sleep time, or waking time. If your room is brightly lit at night, turn off light you don't need. Stop watching TV and using your tablet or phone at least 2 hours before bedtime to eliminate all sources of light in your bedroom. This include windows, LED clock, computer light, cable box, and hot device with light, unless they are very dim. You can cover them with TV paper, cloth cover, masking tape, or just une plume. No only will you get a good night sleep, you'll save electricity. If light still disturb you or wake you in the morning, wear a mask. Sometimes lavender PO can be more relaxing. Add gentle sound. Use a white noise generator to generate various soothing sound, surf, wind, steam, these are sound that have no shape, and they can help your brain to focus on right now. White noise have been shown to not only help people fall asleep more quickly, but also it can disguise the noise that may wake you during the night. White noise or natural sound machines are often wonderful. But if you can afford a fan can make soothing noise. So can a radio tune to between station, or it create static. Make sure that radio isn't all. 2. Repetitive R&B music is very good for falling asleep. Why especially important it at no dramatic shift in the dynamic of the music. R&B music, suchata produced by Brian Eno, ideal. 3. Juste be sûr that music stop or fade out in a bout en hour, or it could keep you from experiencing really deep sleep. turn your phone off, or to silent mode, if you use the alarm, so you will not be disturbed with text, phone call, en notification. Moderating your day. Yat dine list très urbe forbiatim. A full stomach ma disrupt your sleep, en, tivietemel, te longer it take for your stomach to set te donne. Avoir greasy food, a no only art no good for you but en to inhibit sleep. Avoir de spicy food. Some people survive on evil spiced food, but if you find your encourage you stomach at night, seriously reconsider your dinner plan. Avoir going to bed on an anti-stomach. A completely anti-stomach ma interfere with your sleeping pattern just a much a going to bed with a full stomach. If you find your stomach grumbling for food and keeping you awake, yat a light snack abou en urbe forbiatim. Avoir vous digin carbohydrate or sugar. Ig protein food like turkey, yogur, soy ban, tunac, en panu contain tryptophan, which can help the body produce serotonin in order to relax. They also have natural, complex fat that can satiate your hunger. Avoir de caffeine in the afternoon and evening. Tea include coffee, black tea, cocoa, and caffeinated soda. Caffeine can keep you awake even if you drink it early in the day, high effect can last up to 12 hours. Tea also include hot stimulant like those found in an energy drink even if there are no caffeine. Avoir tobacco product in the evening avel. Instead, drink a relaxing warm beverage. Highly recommended beverage include a warm glass of milk or chamomile. Ove, most herbal tea are fine, along at no contenant caffeine. Avoir de drinking water or hot fluid with an on or off your appointed bedtime. Ensure, tug, you drink at least 2 liters of water during the day. A well-hydrated body will not wake you from thirst, but drinking a big glass of water just before bed might wake you to go to the bathroom en inconvenient your. Skip the nightcap. Alcohol will make you feel sleepy, but it will also reduce the quality of your sleep by your body process alcohol and sugar. Alcohol tend to produce broken, shallow sleep, even if you don't notice the period of waking during the night, which do no refresh. Making your bed and bedroom welcoming. Use your bedroom forbiatim. If your body uses to do all sort of thing in the room busy de sleep it may no make a smooth transition to sleep when it time. Your mind should associate your bedroom with sleep and perhaps soothing, relaxing activity. Avoid stressful work or homework, using the computer, watching TV, talking on the phone, eating, exercising, en generally anything that is stressful, energizing, very exciting, or keeps you from going to sleep on time. Probably reading, a relaxing project, cuddling with spouse, writing in journal. Use your bed only for sleeping. Make your bedroom haven. The more comfortable your bed and bedroom are, the more conducive they are to a restful sleep. Clean your room. Get rid of the cobwebs, dust the shelf, vacuum the floor. Empty the waste paper basket. Remove dirty plate, cup, and water bottle. A clean room set the emotional stage for your room being safe, healthy place, no neglected dumping ground to wallow in. Also, regular cleaning can alleviate allergy which can disrupt sleep. It also keeps pests like mice, rats, and cockroaches from invading your space. Keep your bed clean. Wash the sheets every week, the smell great and you will feel more comfortable sleeping. Don't clutter your room with things that can distract you from going to sleep. Tidy up. Throw out and rubbish and leave fresh air in. Beautify your room. An aesthetically pleasing room will make you happy on the display. You don't necessarily have to have your room be a page from Tika catalog. Bu simple change, such as getting rid of an ugly bedspread and repainting your wall can subtly shift your mood. Make your room darker. Black wood wrap, shade, or blank can avoid you awakening early. Make sure your sleep temperature is restful. If you are sweating or freezing, you will know sleep. Maintain your mattress. Replace it after 5 to 7 years of regular use. If you fell spring or ridge beneath the surface when you're lying on the bed, or you and your partner tend to roll over out at night, unintentionally, it's time to go mattress shopping. You may also find that mattress is to blame if you find yourself sleeping better in a naughty bed. Changing your daily routine. Go to bed and get up at same time every day. Varying your sleeping time be more than or can severely disrupt your sleep quality by breaking your circadian rhythm. Use the same sleep schedule even weekend. Even if you have to go to bed late occasionally, still get up your normal time. When your alarm clock off, get up right away every day. Don't lie in or snooze. Try breathing relaxation before bed. Find a comfortable position. Make sure you're environ relaxed. No much light, calm music en espace or you know you will not be interrupted are ideal. Clear your mind. Close your eye and imagine all those problems that you keep in your mind every day fading out with a breath. Pull into positive. Inhale positive image to make you happy. Will you not keep, smile. Focus on your breath. Felt oxygen within your body. You should start feeling a relaxing sensation across your body en mind. Try to maintain it for 10 minutes every night before going to sleep. Medication for better sleep. Try melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland in your brain. The pineal actively converts serotonin to melatonin when it is dark, but when light proceeds de no do so, and the melatonin oxides back into serotonin. Consult with your physician about taking melatonin. Taking into melatonin pill is a natural way to induce sleep, especially if you are physically tired at night but are still unable to fall asleep. However, keep in mind melatonin is a hormone, like estrogen or testosterone, and just because it is natural does not necessarily mean harmless. Triple antihistamine product that cause drowsiness. These are safe when taken with 2 extra ingredients i.e. No pain reliever, decongestant, expectorant, etc., but only for a night or two, a tolerance to them quickly build. 6. They are no recommended à long terme. One solution me relie à way to kickstart you back into a good routine of regular bedtime, relaxation techniques en managing stress. Read the label. Trial for less of the usual dose so that you don't up with a sleeping pill hangover, which will only make your sleep situation worse. Lying down in bed when your drowsiness kicks in. If you use prescription drug, advise with your doctor before taking anything else. Never toothlessly mix medication, with the wrong combination, you could down up mixing medication to what will do you harm. Be sure not to abuse on sedative. Do not take those in important prescribed dosage, night beyond recommended duration. Tell your doctor if you are concerned that you might have a sleep disorder. Some of the most common sleep disorders are insomnia, narcolepsy and parasomnia. If you are indeed suffering from and are diagnosed with any of these conditions, your doctor will recommend treatment accordingly.